What if I told you that a single practice could change the way you feel, eat, and sleep? What if I told you that I started it for one simple reason, but what I got in return was completely different? This is my experience of doing Shambhavi Mahamudra for 6 months, and somewhere in the middle, things got a bit intense. It started with a simple idea. I heard that it's possible to function on 3 hours of sleep. That idea hit me hard. I always thought sleep was a waste of time because there's so much to do, so much to learn. Because one third of your life goes in sleeping. So when I heard this, I was mesmerized. I did not analyze it, I did not question it. I just wanted it. I just wanted to learn this practice. So I went to Mumbai, attended the program, sat through all the sessions, learned the Kriya. Everything felt normal at the time, but there was this form they made us fill. I didn't think much of it then, but now, looking back, that was the moment something irreversible had started. That is a story for some other time. I came back home and started the practice twice a day for 48 days and then once a day for 6 months. The practice itself, not so difficult, but the discipline around it, that's where the real challenge began. Keeping an empty stomach for the practice. It sounds simple, but it changed everything. I had to shift to only 2 meals a day, no snacks in between. It was tough. Hunger would set in, cravings would pull, but after some time, something shifted. I realized I don't actually need that much food. Then something unexpected happened. I was eating non vegetarian food at that time, but gradually the desire disappeared. Not planned, not forced, it just vanished. I couldn't even imagine eating it anymore. Same for junk food. Heavy food started sitting like a burden. It would sit in my system for days, and my energies would drop. So naturally, I started avoiding it. That's it, no discipline required. My system started choosing what's right for it. Doing the practice every single day was still a challenge. Life doesn't stop. Sometimes I was out, sometimes I had no place to do it, sometimes I was just tired, but I did it anyway. In the car, at night, even at 3 a.m. After a while, I realized something strange. This level of willpower, I had never seen it in myself before. It felt like I wasn't the one doing it, but someone was making sure that I never miss it. During the later months of my sadhana, I realized the practice has started working on my heart chakra, which I will talk about in the next video.